In this video, I'm going to show you how to change password in Google account. So the first thing you need is to be on the home screen of Google, and then you want to click over here on the right to your avatar, and then click on manage your Google account. And now once you're in this page where you can manage the Google account, here on the left you want to go to security and click on it. And then if you scroll down here, you can see the second option, it says password, and it says last change February 7th, okay? Now you want to click on this anywhere where it says password, and then it will ask you to first put in your current password, but because I've done this already right now a few minutes ago, it didn't ask me yet again, but just simply type in your password of your Google account, of your Gmail account, and that's it. And then it will be redirected to this website where it says you can set a new password. So it says you have to choose a strong password and don't reuse it for other accounts. You may be signed out of your account on some devices, and that means that when you change the password, in case you're signed in with your account on some other devices, for example your phone or another computer of yours, you will be signed out and you will have to sign in again with the new password, of course. So you simply have to type in the new password over here and then confirm it by repeating it over here, and that's it. It has to be at least 8 characters long, and that's it. So when you set a new password, retype it in here, you want to click change password, and that's it. You've successfully changed the password in your Google account.